Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Vedic Astrology Lagna. Today's journey through Vedic astrology is an exploration of the fascinating realm of planetary influences. Join me as we unravel the profound impact of celestial bodies on our lives according to Vedic astrology. Understanding planetary influences is pivotal in Vedic astrology. These cosmic entities hold immense power, influencing various aspects of our being. In this video, we'll embark on a cosmic voyage to decode their significance. Introduction to planetary influences. In the intricate tapestry of Vedic astrology, planetary influences serve as guiding forces, shaping our personalities, experiences, and destinies. Their movements and positions in our birth chart are pivotal. The 9 planets in Vedic astrology. Vedic astrology recognizes 9 key planets, each with unique energies and influences. From the radiant sun to the enigmatic Rahu and Ketu, let's delve into how these celestial bodies impact our lives. The Sun, Surya. The Sun embodies vitality, confidence, and the essence of the soul. Its positioning in the birth chart delineates our core identity and influences our leadership qualities. The Moon, Chandra. The emotions, intuition, and nurturing aspects of our being. Its influence on our emotional responses and subconscious mind is profound. Mercury, Buddha. Mercury symbolizes communication, intellect, and adaptability. Its placement influences our mental agility, speech, and learning capabilities. Venus, Shukra. Venus embodies love, beauty, and artistic inclinations. Its positioning in the birth chart reveals our romantic preferences, creative talents, and material desires. Mars, Mangal. Mars signifies energy, courage, and action. Its placement influences our drive, assertiveness, and approach towards challenges. Jupiter, Guru. Jupiter represents wisdom, expansion, and good fortune. Its influence shapes our beliefs, spirituality, and opportunities for growth. Saturn, Shani. Saturn symbolizes discipline, responsibility, and karmic lessons. Its position often brings challenges that lead to personal growth and maturity. The profound impact of planetary influences in Vedic astrology unveils the intricate threads woven into our lives by cosmic forces. Understanding their dynamics empowers us to navigate life's journey more consciously. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic exploration of planetary influences in Vedic astrology. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vedic Astrology Lagna for more cosmic insights and astrological wisdom.